YouTube, what's good? Back at it with another banger. You already know what's going on. Today, as you read in the description, we got my little bro's Mustang. I think he got the Borla exhaust on that shit. So let's just give it a hear. I'm not like, without further ado, I'm not even trying to talk too much. Let's just get straight to it. Yeah. Back to nice and quiet. And just like that, the video comes to an end. Hope y'all enjoyed. What else can I say? We got a car meet coming out this weekend. So if you guys from the Southwest area, Southwest Minnesota, you already know the drill. Slide. What else? Yeah, subscribe. Make sure you like, drop a comment. But other than that, catch y'all on the blend.